Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh man, I'm kind of looking tan today. So today I decided to talk to you guys a little bit about one of my favorite beauty products out there, and it is none other than the Derma roller. So for those of you who don't know, it's basically a roller with miniature needles on it. I know that sounds bad, and at first I was like, are you insane? Like, why would you do that to yourself? So it all started when I was browsing the internet and just looking for ways to kind of make your skin look younger, different anti-aging techniques and things like that. I'm sure most of you have heard of it. Me, I'm always like the late bloomer and everything. So me being the curious person I am, I looked into it and did my research and of course YouTubed it. So before I get into how to use it, I wanted to kind of go over what it does. So basically when you get older, your body stops creating collagen, which helps your face and skin look plumper and more youthful. This tool is meant to roll all over your skin and actually create very, very minor cuts on your skin that is actually a beneficial cut. What it does is it circulates your skin and it signals to your body to create more collagen, hence filling your face up with collagen. I've seen some amazing before and after photos of people using this product, and they do say that it takes an average of 3 months, so that's why I decided to do a review now, because it has been 3 months since I've owned this thing and I just have great things to say about it. So looking into it and actually doing the research, I realized the benefits of it, and of course, me being who I am, I just had to give it a try. So this is why I'm here today. I'm here to tell you how it all went down. So I went on eBay, like I always do, and I purchased my very first Derma roller. Through my extensive research, I found out that you should never go above a 0.5 millimeter needle. Anything past that number would be considered a dermatologist use or someone who is a professional in this field. So I got a 0.5 millimeter needle. It was around $12, free shipping. So this is what it basically looked like. It came in this little nifty tube, and the brand that I went with was Derma Skincare. So it is a reputable brand, and it kind of just looks like this. Open it up, and it came extra protected in its little casing, and you kind of just click it open like that. And this is what it looks like. So, now prior to using it, obviously make sure you have a clean face. You don't want to do it while you're dirty because that would just probably cause an infection. I use my pure hyaluronic acid serum, and the reason why you want to put this on first is because this serum is meant to actually plump and add collagen to your skin. It's meant to be an anti-aging serum. So I put this on first so that it's already seeping into my pores, and then I just use the Derma roller, and you go over each part of your face. I don't do my nose because I just don't feel like I need collagen there. So obviously stay away from like super thin areas. You don't want to go near your eyes or even close to it. So I will say that putting this on my face, it doesn't hurt because the needles are so small, but right when I get onto my forehead for some reason, it kind of hurts. I guess because it's just more bone than anything, but the forehead for me is very sensitive and it does hurt. And yes, you can use it on your lips. In fact, that's my favorite place to use it because I was reading that it will actually plump your lips over time. Now, this isn't a permanent thing. It's not something that will be there forever. It is temporary because just like anything else, collagen comes and it goes. So I've been using it on my lips, and I kid you not when I say, see, I use this at night, and the next morning, even my boyfriend said to me that my lips look fuller. So I was sold. I was like, I love this thing. After I'm all done using this, I will then use the retinol on my face. Retinol is basically a vitamin A anti-aging serum. And then I will use another anti-aging vitamin C you guys have seen this in one of my first videos. This promotes firm, glowing skin, and it's actually, since it has vitamin C, it has natural healing to kind of help the healing process of your face after you use the Derma roller. On top of all of that, I do use from Neocell the Super Collagen Plus C. This is what it looks like. This is for hair, skin, and nails, but it is mainly collagen. So yeah, that is basically what I do. I take the collagen pill, I use the Derma roller once a week. Anything more than that could just really cause your skin to be irritated. So I will say that I don't know if I would recommend this product for somebody who already has very, very, very sensitive skin. I know that I like to send my mom different types of face products to try out, but this is the one thing I don't think I would give her because she has naturally very sensitive skin, and even just like a poke on the face and she'll have just this big red blotchy spot on her face. So I couldn't even imagine what these micro needles would do. Now, it is not a miracle worker by any means, but I've been using this for almost 3 months, and I can honestly say that it has made a definite difference in my face. My skin has completely changed, and not just because of the Derma roller. I think it's just between the serums and the way I take care of my skin now. A year ago, I looked like 5 years older than I am now, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, just comment below. I would be happy to answer them. Just let me know if you've tried the Derma roller, what your thoughts are about the product, and let's chat it up. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.